Hey everybody, NavyDoc5184 here, and welcome to another music reaction. And today we are reacting to Latch by Pentatonix. So Pentatonix is just such a fire group. I love me some acapella, and they are so far the best I've heard when it comes to anything. And I'm really looking forward to this reaction right here, so I'm not going to waste any more time. We're just going to go ahead and get right into it. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description below. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, and based on what I've seen in the comments, this is apparently a big Christy number here, so we're going to see what she brings to the table with this one. That's just so great at everything they do. Is it possible that there's anything they've done that was not good? Alright, so I gotta say, one of the things I find amazing when I've done the reaction for, and I think I've ran into this before, where like it's something that I haven't heard before, and yet somehow as I'm going along, it's almost as if like I know. Granted, having the captions on here, I don't know if you can see them from my TV or whatever, but you know, as I'm reacting to this, you know, I got the captions on, so I'm seeing what to say, and it's amazing how it's just like I'm able to know where they're going as if I've listened to the song 100 times before, and yet this is my first time. You know, and I don't know if it's just, you know, people will say, you know, just have a musical ear for it. Maybe it's just something they do. I really don't know what it is, but that's one of the reasons why I love reacting to them so much, is because they can take a song I've never heard them do, and it feels like I've heard them do it 100 times. It's so amazing. They're picking it up a little bit now too. Okay, I like it. And Mitch, I tell you what, he is quickly turning into my favorite vocalist in this group. Their harmonies are just fire too. Okay, here we go. Seeing what everybody's talking about here. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm starting to see what everybody was talking about, you know, with Christy killing it so far, because that was a pretty fire moment right there. Boy, she took that ball and ran with it, didn't she? Holy cow. I love the gradual build-up of, I almost said tension, but that's not the word I'm looking for, but maybe I'll just stick with the gradual build-up, because, you know, it started, you know, kind of like nice and calm, and then they were just like building it up until it got to her, and then, again, as I've asked before, is there anything that they've done that you can consider not good? Because honestly, that almost feels like that should be a challenge. Find a Pentatonix song on there that is not worth listening to. Probably will take the rest of your life to have that happen, because so far I haven't found any that have come even close to being bad. Not even close. Hold me tight within your clutch. Alright, Mitch. You know, I think part of that part I need to get a little countdown. Mitch slap coming in 3, 2, 1, because whew, good Lord Almighty. And again, that's one of the reasons why I was saying, it's like, I think the thing I love about Mitch so much is his vocal range. You know, because he's got like that mid-range that he started with, then he kind of goes into like a nice falsetto, and he's just so seamless and effortless with it, and I love it. I love hearing people that have a nice range. I think that's why I love people like Freddie Mercury and Prince so much when they sing, is because, you know, they can get low vocals, they can get high vocals, it doesn't matter, and they sound good no matter what range they're in. And I would dare put Mitch into that category of vocalist, and I will die on that hill. There they go again. Wow. She definitely had her moments, didn't she? Those are always my least favorite part. The end. It's like, it just feels so unfair when the end comes because you're just not ready for it to end yet. I don't think there's really much more I can really say of this. That was just another fantastic Pentatonix song, and I'm definitely looking forward to continuing, reacting to them and getting more into their catalog of music. So definitely looking forward to continuing that. I thank y'all for stopping by. I hope y'all enjoyed that as much as I did. That was a fun one, and I'm looking forward to a lot more fun with Pentatonix. So I hope to catch y'all down the road.